So I'm at my butcher block. I've got 2 bags of leaf lettuce, and this is a great value. I'd love to be able to buy organic lettuce, but can't always afford it. So here we go. This leaf lettuce is a great size of green leaf lettuce, and it's in the cellophane. So what I want to show you is a quick way to revive this. This is a trick I learned from the produce guy at the grocery store. I saw that they were soaking leaf lettuce and they were trimming it down. And you see I still have that core right there. You want to keep that core in place, and what I've cut off is just about 1 inch of the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my salad spinner. Do that with my next one. Some really loud wrapping there, but the technology in packaging today is what allows us to have so many lettuces so long. Hit pause. So we've got the lettuce in the salad spinner. We've got the bowl to capture the water. We are going to put warm water bordering on hot. So I've got this water here, and it is quite warm. It's not hot, it's not scalding, it's not going to hurt my hand. What we're doing is just rinsing the lettuce leaves, but most important is getting the water up to about 1 inch beyond those bottom edges. And then, essentially, you're going to let that sit for about a half an hour or more. So you need to let this lettuce sit for a half hour or more, and you'd be amazed that what looks like limp lettuce is going to be nice and firm, like it's just picked. Improv Cook here, always making something. This is our lettuce after it has been in the warm water for 2 hours. You can see it's nice and firm. There's a couple pieces at the edge that were truly limp that haven't gotten their crisp yet. But compared to how this looked 2 hours ago, this is a fantastic set of lettuce. Head of lettuce, 2 heads, and crisp, ready for rinsing and spinning and use in any salad you'd like. Hope you find this tip helpful and subscribe. Always look for Improv Cooks, and on YouTube, Always Cooking Something. And on YouTube, Always Making Something. Bye-bye.